To increase the font size in Messenger, start by checking if the Messenger app is up to date. Open the App Store, search for Messenger, and update it if necessary. If the app is already up to date, proceed to the next step. Go to your device's main settings, scroll down, and locate the Accessibility section. Within this section, you'll find options such as Vision Tools, Physical and Motor Tools, and General Tools. Look for the Per App Settings option, which is usually listed last. Click on Add App, locate the Messenger app, and add it to the list. Once you've added Messenger, click on it to access the text size and display settings, which you can then adjust to your preference. This will allow you to modify how text appears within the app.